Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a popular blender from Nutribullet, the 600 series. Known for its simplicity and effectiveness, this blender promises to handle your daily smoothie needs without breaking the bank. Let's see how it performs in real-world use. The Nutribullet 600 series is designed for those who prioritize simplicity and value. It features a 600-watt motor, which is adequate for blending tasks like frozen fruits, fibrous vegetables, and nuts. However, it's worth noting it's not designed to crush ice or handle chunky textures as effectively. In terms of design, the Nutribullet 600 series follows the classic Nutribullet style with a twist to blend operation. The motor base is sturdy and stays stable during blending, which is essential to prevent countertop vibrations. The blender comes with a BPA-free Triton blending cup that's dishwasher safe, though the blade unit itself requires hand washing. I tested the Nutribullet 600 with various ingredients including frozen berries and nuts. It excelled at creating smooth, liquid blends, perfect for morning smoothies. However, when I attempted chunkier blends like hummus or pesto, it struggled a bit. This blender is really geared towards creating smooth textures rather than chunky mixes. If you're someone who needs a reliable blender for daily smoothies and occasional blending tasks, the Nutribullet 600 series is a solid choice. It offers good performance for its price point and is backed by Nutribullet's reputation for quality. However, if you regularly need to crush ice or make chunky mixes like salsa or pesto, you might want to consider a model with higher wattage or more versatile blending options. To wrap it up, the Nutribullet 600 series is a straightforward blender that gets the job done for basic blending needs. Whether you're blending fruits, veggies, or nuts into smoothies, this blender delivers consistent results. Just be mindful of its limitations when it comes to handling tougher textures. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.